Good evening, sir. I am Azad. Today, I am going to discuss business versus job. If you pollute your business or job, you have to salute everybody. If you salute either your business or your job, you need not to salute anybody. So you should have to do your job with commitment, with dedication. Everybody knows that work is worship. So commitment is the foundation of great accomplishment. Now coming to the topic, what is business? In business, you are the boss. You have to frame the rules. You have to frame the structure. You have to organize the things. You have to do so many things. If you are having much money, if you are having sufficient money with you, or if you are having resources related to establish a business, you should have to go towards business. In business, already I told you that you are the boss. You have to frame the rules. Irrespective of the time, anytime you come to your company, anytime you go outside. But you should have to maintain. Whereas, in case of job, you have to work under your boss. So, your boss is the supreme authority. Whatever the boss entrusted, whatever the work entrusted to you, you have to complete the task. You have to maintain few qualities. You have to maintain certain decorum. You have to maintain few things which are instructed by your boss. Okay, that's good. Business, as long as the business goes well, it's okay. Very good. But all of you know that business is not straight away in the same manner. There are so many up and downs in business. There are so many fluctuations in the business. There are so many things in business. While you are starting business, you have to keep all these things in your mind, because a business is an ocean. When you are get into ocean, you should be careful and you should take what are the necessary things to get into water. You get into ocean. So all these things are important. Okay. Businessman should have a best quality that he should have long run vision. Long run vision means he has to grasp the things. He has to imagine what is going tomorrow, what will be going to tomorrow, how I have to manage the things. So all these things, the important and a very essential thing is the businessman should have a positive nature. He should have an optimist. He should never. So there are so many. Sometimes in business, heavy profits may be gained. When you get heavy profits, you should not get excited. You should not get happy. You should not feel more and more excited. In the same way, business means sometimes losses, heavy losses also occurred. When you get heavy loss, you need not to worry. Either loss or profit, you have to maintain balancely. You have to maintain an equilibrium. Then only you may shine. Then only you may recognize in the society. Then only your name will be highlighted in the society. So, up to that, you should have to maintain the business. Okay, right. Now coming to the job. Already I told you what is job. You are an employee. You should have to work under your boss. So, the boss is your ultimate God. Whatever the work entrusted, whatever your boss entrusted the work, you have to finish it within the stipulated time. Unless and until you did not do this, you may get some punishments in job. So you have to aware of you. You have to aware all the things before going to job. You should have to be punctual. You should have to be dedicated. You should have to be commitment. All these things are more important before going to enter into job. Okay. Jobs are obviously